Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review Reolink E1 Pro Pan and Tilt HD camera. So let's get into it. E1 Pro is a compact quality camera from Reolink loaded with smart features. Some of the top features are 4 megapixel Super HR video, 355-degree pan and 50-degree tilt to rotate the camera and get the full view of the room. Dual band Wi-Fi for reliable network performance and easy installation. Support two-way audio to have real conversation with family remotely. Super night vision to see your baby pet clearly in low light. Has smart motion alerts, powerful audio alert, remote live view from anywhere, anytime. It also supports local storage and of course Reolink cloud storage. It's fully installed now.
Welcome to Reolink.
Final thoughts. I use the Reolink external camera. I've been using it over 3 years without any problems, so I'm already convinced with the quality products from Reolink. E1 Pro doesn't disappoint. It was very easy to install, has multiple use case scenario in the house. In fact, it supports both local and cloud storage rather than forcing people to buy cloud storage. Night vision quality is good, and the best thing is its price point. There are other players in the market with a similar price point, but Reolink packs all the high-end features at the budget price, so definitely have a look. Like always, I will leave all the details about the camera in the description of the video, so please check it out. Thanks for watching the video, and please do like and subscribe my channel if not already. Thank you.